streets of Dublin woke that morn beneath a troubled sky. The bells they rang, the rifles spoke, and young men chose to die. With words of hope upon their lips and courage in their eyes, they raised a flag above the town and dared the world to rise. They were not kings, they wore no crowns, no armies at their side, just poets, sons, and working men with freedom as their guide. Inside the walls of the old post office, they made their final stand, while echoes of their voices called for a free and rightful land. Oh, the men who stood at Easter with the morning light above, they gave their lives for Ireland and the country that they loved. Though the guns of empire silenced them and darkness filled the day, their names became the whispers that would never fade away. The prison walls of Kilmainham heard footsteps in the night. One by one they faced their fate before the morning light. No crowd was there to sing their songs, no cheering filled the air, only the sound of distant drums and a nation's silent prayer. And mothers wept for sons they lost, for brothers gone too soon, while Dublin carried broken hearts beneath the April moon. But from the ashes of that dawn, a flame began to burn. For every soul that fell that day, 1,000 more would turn. Oh, the men who stood at Easter with the morning light above, they gave their lives for Ireland and the country that they loved. Though the guns of empire silenced them and darkness filled the day, their names became the whispers that would never fade away. So tell the tale of Connolly and Pearse, who wrote the call of those who faced the firing line and never bowed at all. For history remembers those who stood when hope was small and planted seeds of freedom against the strongest wall. Oh, the men who stood at Easter, their voices carried on through valleys green oceans wide, their memory marches on. And when the Irish winds still blow across the fields today, they carry songs of those who dreamed and gave their lives away.